On July 29th, Garmin jumped 17% overnight. I never mentioned this position on this channel, but suddenly it became my biggest holding among my portfolio. After a few days of consideration, I decided to sell the entire position of Garmin and take almost 28% profits. Here is the raw truth behind that exit and why it wasn't a simple spreadsheet decision. I love Garmin product, especially as I am marathon running and also cycling. So I use Garmin product for more than 10 years. So I really like how they are very good product actually. I don't own shares anymore. I'm not a salesperson for Garmin, but I really advocate for Garmin, at least for the smartwatch and navigation GPS system. Garmin, you probably know. If you don't know, Garmin operates in several category of things. So it's outdoor, fitness, navigation, aviation, marine, and outdoor recreation. The main things are GPS and smartwatch, which are very good product, and they are selling like hotcake. August 2026. This is a 1 year chart, and if you look at the 5 years chart, you can see how very good that company is going. I bought my first shares of Garmin on March 2026, so it is only 4 months. And as I said, within the 4 months, so this is I'm going to shift the chart to this year from year to date, and you can see it started the year at $200, and I bought it in March. So this is March 18. I bought it at 231, and I sold it last night at 304 or 302. So I took about 28% profits, and since the shares were sitting in my NISA account, I'm trading from Japan, so I have a NISA, it's a non-taxable account, so it's 28% full profits on the growth of the stock. A quick note on the NISA, so the NISA is capped for 1 year, so basically if as I sold my shares, I cannot refill my NISA account. So I will have to wait for the year 2027 to restart filling that tax-free account. I prefer to take the 28% profits, which is about 220,000 yen, Japanese yen, or $1,500 profit. So I feel more comfortable. As you can see, if I go on the 1 year chart, we are pretty much near the 52 weeks high. And if we look at the financial forecast, the average forecast for Garmin was 290-ish. I was thinking very hard. I really like Garmin, and I wanted the Garmin position, but it was trading at PE over 30x. So I was thinking, okay, Garmin is really high now, and it became my biggest holding in my portfolio overnight. And I thought, well, I was feeling more comfortable taking that profit now, 28%, than trying to stay greedy and holding further. And I would have felt more sorry if suddenly price dropped and I would be like at 10% profit and wait to go up again. Instead, I feel more comfortable closing and taking the cash 28% profit, and even if it keep going and it goes up from here, I still feel comfortable. I'm not greedy. So if it goes down again in the future, I will keep an eye on it, and if I find it at a good level, I will purchase it again. And I have capital ready to redeploy to something else or whatever is coming, whatever opportunity is going to come. Garmin is a wonderful company. I don't have regret selling it. I really like the company, and I will keep on my watch list. It either come back at a lower level, more reasonable to restart a position, I might revisit it. But for now, I am really happy. Either way, that's the video.